2, 1, matter.
ए यो व्हाट्स अप विरार की कावेरी लास्ट बैटल एक फर्स्ट टाइमर ने तेरी जान ले ली तेरे ओपोनेंट ने किए होमोफोबिक बार्स और तूने उसी को अपनी गांड दे दी He's Kaleido
That's a lie.
He's Kaleido बट इसका कोई स्कोप नहीं है बैटल में तेरा कोई होप नहीं है फंबल किया दोनों राउंड चाहिए तुझे थोड़े लेसन्स आई थिंक एस डॉट फिनिश्ड यू इट वाज द एंड ऑफ योर सेंटेंस बट स्टिल यू केम बैक बिकॉज तू बंदा ही बेशरम है ऊपर से बनता हार्ड नीचे से सब कुछ नरम है gossip was arguing with Rapture on WhatsApp then the whole group ganged up on you no wonder you're single bro even your dick won't stand up for you
What?
and he told Rapture that Vanitha is a child he adopted. Such a gochu, why are you proud of the fact that no one chose you? इसको लगता है कि ये हार्ड है बिकॉज सब इस पे हेट करते हैं घर में जाके फेमिनिज्म की रील्स पे डिबेट करते हैं खुद तो कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं अपनी लाइफ में बस सब पे शिट टॉक कर दूसरों के पॉकेट में जीने वाला यू नॉट एन आर्टिस्ट और अ पिक पॉकेटर बट लुक एट हिज स्माइल Bateo, look at his ugly smile. Whenever he walks in the room, all the vaginas go dry. And he knew.
Oh my God.
And he knew he will lose this battle.
Hey, yo, hold on.
खत्म तो कर दे.
Let's go.
Mega time. Bateo, look at his face. That's such an ugly smile. Whenever he walks in the room, all the vaginas go dry. And he knew that he will lose this battle. I didn't came here to compete with a nose that big. He already smelled his defeat, and that's time, motherfucker.
Right. Good one. Give it up for a good round. All right.
Whoa.
Hey yo. Hold it down. All right. Ayo, Demuth. We're battling again. And they say that seconds don't count until you're gasping for breath. Remember something? Outside, what was that place? You went crying outside of Fernandez' house after choking against me. What are you talking about choking my first round, bitch? From Satish, I actually had good riddance, but you don't get the myth when I was spitting about all that mythological shit, so don't come at me. Now, Demuth, you were supposed to cancel this battle right before it happened, after an advance paid. I do get that your grandfather died a couple weeks ago and you can't make it to his final grave. Well, look around. There's silence right now. So you couldn't attend his funeral rites. Well, today's your funeral, right? I mean, you just a Medusa-looking bitch. You just a Medusa-looking bitch, so I had to roll up. Now I'm gonna mirror your image, because that's what Kaleido does. That's exactly what I told my folks back home. I'm gonna purse us some bread, and I'm gonna kill this Medusa by just following the reflection of her own footsteps. I'm not even writing this shit, bro. This is off the dome. You can't spit like that. You can just log on to Elsewhere's YouTube channel to see how she freestyle chokes. Bro, you said against Hades you had a dick bigger than him. So I don't really treat you like a woman no more. You just one among men. Time.
All right. Come on. Okay, water. Okay. Take. Come on, guys. Come on. Show some love. Yo. Clap. Are you ready for second round? Are you ready for round 2? All right.
Let's go. माना के पहला बैटल हारी चोक करके तो इसका मारेगा बड़ा ही ब्रो अब दूसरा बैटल होगा सुसाइड जब ये काटेगा अपनी कलाई दो और जिसको अपनी मुठ मरवानी है आइजैक अपनी कलाई दो इंग्लिश आती नहीं तो प्रैक्टिस कर बड़ी पूरा राउंड तेरी जुबान तेरे दांतों से लड़ी एंड आफ्टर लुकिंग एट हिज फेस आई एम जस्ट अनॉयड रेड जिंग बेब प्लीज पे मी एक्स्ट्रा नेक्स्ट टाइम टू बैटल अगली बॉयज And Kaleido loves to make songs that nobody listens to. My catalog makes yours look like a pigeon food. Round 1 था introduction. अभी character arc खत्म करूँगी in season 2. He used to be a dancer, but still on stage he lacks the rhythm. Okay, Kaleido has a song called Blind Ambition, obviously because he has no vision. पहले dancer, फिर singer, फिर rapper. You need to decide what to do. You need some help. I mean, a kaleidoscope is known for reflecting within itself. इसके लिए तू कभी डेवलप नहीं होता जैसे कोई खराब फोटोकॉपी. S. Dot already bodied you. I'm just doing the autopsy. And this motherfucker told he will body D-Myth. Huh? This motherfucker told he will body D-Myth. Is that how you really felt? Because you just took an L. तो attitude को अपनी गांड में डाल और चुपचाप जाके पीछे बैठ. That's time, motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Oh, she's hungry though. Oh my god. Let's go, round 2. Kaleido. Hold on.
Hey yo,
Round 2.
listen. I hope you're listening. I heard your last round. I know death can mess up your mind sometimes. So with this round, I raise my arm just to reframe her mind. You gonna come out with my backpack? Man, you gonna get a grand pop. And if you couldn't get that, it's your dead granddad. D-Myth, you see my bars have more effect. You just raise volume. You're nothing but a threat. I mean, you keep up with so many scores and volumes, but really at Allegiance, you don't really add much value to the war that they're trying to bring on. Yeah, nothing strong. I mean, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा when Gabbar came against her in the last battle, because मुझे उसने दिलाई याद राजपाल यादव की. आया वो छुप के और उठा लिया इसका घाघरा चोली भी. Damn, D-Myth, you think I ain't on that Indian shit? Man, I've been around people from UP. We know how that kattas exist. We can blow up in your face and take our arm off. We don't give a shit. I come from wacky motherfuckers that will slap a bitch like D-Myth and put the myth out of D-Myth. Aight. You've been battling for family all this time. How the hell is Rapture booking her off the grid when she has nothing to really offer when her parliament in session? I mean, she needs to really be taking this Gujarati off the bench. Y'all ain't really on no political shit. I mean, what's hip-hop even preaching? That's the reason y'all been, raising your voice for D-Myth. I mean, her punch is weakened. It's got no hip. I mean, you just hop around from one subject to the other trying to stack a scheme. I mean, you said muscle, flex, strength around Gabbar, but I didn't really see you punch one rep. Man, I'm going layered with it. You just basic cake. The one that my mom really gets out to visitors that come for tea at 5 p.m. And right now it's time to go home. So I'm just saying, D-Myth, you're already a myth. So there's nothing real in you. Why the hell do you even have to spit? Time.
All right. Come on, guys, show some love. Guys, itna hi, come on, yaar. Please clap. Guys, please, give it up.